Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a subscription here in Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Stripe, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a subscription in Stripe is a straightforward process that allows you to automatically bill your customers on a recurring basis. Okay? So once you are logged into your account, depending on how you set up your Stripe, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the subscription tab. From here, if you haven't already, we are going to create a test subscription, like create a product and price if not already created. All right. Now, from here, we can collect recurring payments with any pricing model, including flat rate, seat-based, tiered, and usage-based. We're going to click on the purple button here to create a subscription. Now, for the customer, it's up to you, but I'm going to add a new customer. That's going to be Deep Laughs. Excuse me. Account email is going to be something like, how about deep outlook.com. What about this one? And the description is that. Now you can be as detailed as you can. You could choose a country. And fill in as much as information as you can. You can put in the zip code, state, city, address, and of course your phone number. But if you want, you can select the box here, same as billing details, and you need to choose a time zone. We're going to choose the Central. Eastern Standard. Language is going to be United States. And choose a currency, and that's going to be US dollars. Of course, this is dependent on your country, your specific goals and needs and preferences. Now, on the invoice prefix, you can choose anything that you want. For example, I'm going to use this one. And the invoice sequence is going to be around starting from 69. In tax status, you can put in taxable, exempt, reverse charge, depending on your subscription offering plans, because customers are more likely to stay committed to a service or product over a long period, reducing the rate of customer churn. And of course, from the tax ID type, that's up to you, depending on your country of origin. You can put in the numbers here. If you want to add another ID, you are welcome to do so. Click that. You can put another ID here. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on the add customer. Now this is going to be the test subscription. Okay. Now for the product, maybe you are offering a subscription plan. All right. Let's say Stripe subscription. Okay. Or the if you're subscribed to the Deep Laughs how-to tutorials as an exclusive member of our channel, you might want to do so. Quantity is 1, and this is going to be the build monthly $69. You can add a coupon if you wanted. All right, but you have to activate your Stripe tax to automatically calculate and collect the right amount of tax. If you want to click that, if you want to add a coupon, you can do so. For example, select a coupon. Just wait for it. You'll be forwarded to another page wherein you can create a coupon. But we're going to skip this for now because this is going for a different video. Let's hover back to the subscription. Click on cancel. So you can add your tax manually if you wanted. Select a tax rate. You can create a new tax rate if you wanted, but that's gonna forward you to another page. We're gonna skip that. So bill monthly starting from September 17th. And this is gonna be, you can add the free trial. For example, we're going to put in maybe 69 days. It ends on November 25th. You can pause or cancel if free trial ends without a payment method, all right? You can add a metadata if you wanted. For example, it add a face. This is if you wanted to have more control over your subscription. For example, that's going to be 3 months from now. But if you want to cancel, you can do so, all right? Now, you can automatically charge a payment method on file if you haven't already. Click on add a payment method. For example, you're adding a new card, just put it in. If they're using a debit card, a credit card, or even PayPal, all of those accepted here on Stripe, all right? Just click on add. And you can also click on this option to email invoice to the customer to pay manually, all right? You can set your payment preferences and Stripe will take care of the rest. For example, payment due is 30 days after invoice is sent. These are going to be the payment methods accepted. You can manage. You have the Amazon Pay, bank transfer, Canadian pre-authorized debit pads, Cash App Pay, credit or debit link, and WeChat Pay. Click on save. Once you've done that, you see you can put in an invoice memo if you wanted, or add a description. You can put in a custom invoice field if you wanted. Add a custom field, for example, field name. Now, there's going to be an invoice template. If you want, let's do that later. But for now, let's create this subscription. Click the button right here. And subscription has started. All right. Now, we're going to click on the subscription itself. You want to make sure that all of the information is correct. Now, if you are having problems creating a subscription here on Stripe, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the help section and go to the support center. Go to the view support articles and you can type in your question to see if you get an answer. Otherwise, if you don't, hover to the bottom part where you can see the contact sales and send them an email. Tell them you are having problems creating a subscription on your Stripe account, and they would give you an insight and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.